Financial literacy is just as important when you're taking care of your personal finances as it is when you own a small business. April is Financial Literacy Month, and since this podcast is all about mastering your small business finances, it's only fitting that we should talk about how financial literacy makes an impact on your small business. Studies are showing that the financial literacy scores are slowly and steadily declining. I understand you became a business owner because of the passion you have for what your business is all about, and not necessarily about the finance aspect. But I know you want to do everything you can to ensure your business is as successful as possible, which includes understanding your finances. Financial literacy might not come easy to you, but if you make it a priority, especially if you're new to owning a small business, it will help you manage the financial side of your business more effectively. Increasing your financial literacy will help you make smart business decisions, such as when to hire an employee and when or if you should take out a loan, as well as how to manage your debt. You'll be able to understand the taxes that are relevant to your business and how every action you take impacts your financial statements. Listen in today as I talk about why financial literacy is so important and how you, as an entrepreneur, small business owner, virtual online bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, can increase your financial literacy. Not only do I feel financial literacy is important for adults, but it's also extremely important to increase financial literacy in children. My passion for helping increase financial literacy extends to kids and teens as well as small businesses. My youth financial journeys help increase youth financial literacy by incorporating real life and hands-on scenarios from our normal day-to-day lives, and simplifies it for kids and teens so they're able to learn from these financial activities. I have a special offer for you at the end of this podcast if you have a child in your life that you want to make sure has a good understanding of financial literacy for their future so that they will learn to be responsible with their financial choices and make smart financial decisions throughout their lives. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Are you looking for a computerized software solution to do your bookkeeping? I highly recommend checking out QuickBooks Online. I've been using QuickBooks myself for over 20 years, and they really know how to streamline processes and make your bookkeeping and recording your transactions simple and easy. QuickBooks is one of the top software solutions used by small business owners, and I would say that over 95% of my clients are currently using QuickBooks for their businesses. One of the features most of my clients and I take advantage of is the option to set up bank feeds. You simply link your bank account to your QuickBooks account, and QuickBooks will automatically import each transaction into your QuickBooks file. You'll save a ton of time not having to manually enter each of these transactions. You simply review each of the transactions and make sure they're getting recorded to the appropriate account, and then click one button and they're in. Want to know more? Head over to financialadventure.com/QuickBooks and learn how you can save 50% off of your first 3 months. Welcome back. When you own a small business, more than likely it's going to be you, the business owner, who provides the skills and financial knowledge to run your business. You'll be the one to create your budget, do your accounting, and set your sales prices. You'll even bring everything you know from your personal finances into your business. Being financially literate can help you manage your small business effectively and elevate your decision-making and leadership skills. So what is financial literacy? Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. When you're financially literate and can apply these skills to your business, you're better equipped to understand your financial statements, and you can see the impact your actions make in the financial health of your business. Understanding your financial statements helps you make smart business decisions, and by increasing your financial literacy, you'll be able to consider how certain decisions will impact your financial statements before you even make those decisions. These decisions could be whether to hire an employee or when and if you should take out a loan for your business. No matter which actions you take, you want to know how these decisions are affecting your profitability. Financial literacy can be broken down by many different aspects in your small business. Let's take, for instance, taxes. Your small business may be subject to different taxes, but you want to be familiar with and understand the taxes that affect your small business. Do you have payroll taxes, self-employment taxes, or even sales tax? How is your business entity taxed? Does it get taxed at the corporate level, or does the income pass through to your personal return? Not only will it be important to understand your small business taxes, but equally important, you will want to understand the due dates of these taxes as well. Another area of financial literacy that will be important to your small business is how your cash flow impacts your business. You want to make sure you understand when and how your business receives income, as well as when your bills and other expenses are due. These are just two ways financial literacy relates to your business, and having adequate financial knowledge about them and many other areas within your business can contribute to the success of your small business. So now that you know how important financial literacy is to your business, you might be asking how you can build your financial literacy. First, you need to make it a priority. Jump at the chance whenever you have an opportunity to learn more about financial literacy and how it impacts your business. This could be taking a basic accounting course, attending a webinar, training, or reading a book or article. Another way is to take advantage of lessons you can learn each day in your own business, such as making sure your bookkeeping and financial statements are up to date. Look over your financial statements each month and keep a pulse on your cash flow. Next, when you're talking to your accountant or bookkeeper, make sure you ask them questions so that you understand what they're saying. There could be times when an accountant or bookkeeper assumes you understand what they're saying. Don't be afraid to spend some time with them and ask questions. A good accountant or bookkeeper will help clarify what they're saying in terms that you are able to understand. You can even ask them to explain it to you like they would to a fifth grader. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn from them. When you have a small business, it's easy to use your financial information to help you become financial literate. Don't make increasing your financial literacy too difficult. Find a way you can learn that you actually enjoy. Yes, you can actually enjoy increasing your financial literacy. You're doing it right now by listening to this podcast. Money management and financial literacy starts when you're young. It's important to have our children start learning about financial literacy early to improve their financial literacy as an adult so that they can make fewer money mistakes. Business owners tell me all the time they wish they had learned many of the skills I teach in my youth financial journeys when they were young, and especially before they went to college. During the month of April, I'm offering you $10 off one of my youth financial journey packages, which start at just $39 by using the coupon code APRIL2021. These journeys inspire kids and teens with age-appropriate adventures in earning, saving, spending, and sharing money while developing a strong financial foundation. When we teach children about money at an early age, and as they grow, they will learn to be more responsible with their financial choices and make smart financial decisions throughout their adult lives. The Financial Adventures Youth Financial Journeys are simple, easy, and available for immediate download. I take the hassle out of trying to gather all the necessary information needed to teach your children financial literacy on your own. The Piggies Youth Financial Journey is recommended for ages 5 to 7. The Kids and Teens Financial Journey is recommended for ages 8 to 18. And the Teens Advanced Financial Journey is recommended for ages 13 to 18. The Youth Financial Journeys make great gifts as well, and you can purchase them at financialadventure.com/join. I'll post the link where you're listening to this podcast as well. All right, to recap this episode. Number 1, when you own a small business, more than likely it's going to be you, the business owner, who provides the skills and financial knowledge to run your business. Being financially literate can help you manage your small business effectively. Number 2, financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. Number 3, when you're financially literate and can apply these skills to your business, you are better equipped to understand your financial statements and can see the impact your actions make in the financial health of your business. Number 4, by increasing your financial literacy, you'll be able to consider how certain decisions will impact your financial statements before you even make those decisions. Number 5, understanding taxes and cash flow are 2 ways financial literacy relates to your business. And having adequate financial knowledge about them and many other areas within your business can contribute to the success of your small business. Number 6, you can build your financial literacy if you make it a priority. Number 7, you could take a basic accounting course, attend a webinar, training, or reading a book or article. Another way is to take advantage of lessons you can learn each day within your own business. Number 8, you can increase your financial literacy when you're talking to your accountant or bookkeeper. Just make sure you ask them questions so that you understand what they're saying. Number 9, money management and financial literacy starts when you're young. During the month of April, I'm offering you $10 off one of my Youth Financial Journey packages, which start at just $39 by using the coupon code APRIL2021. When we teach children about money at an early age, and as they grow, they will learn to be more responsible with their financial choices and make smart financial decisions throughout their adult lives. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.